You guys have no idea what the hell I had to go through to get this shit to work. I don't know what's been going on lately, but damn it, I'm here. Alright? I got a guest with me, yo. I got a special guest with me. I met him at 805 Media Day. I was just recently with him at a concert that he performed at called Slaps. Shout out to Christopher, let's see in the building. Man, this dude, we have been going back and forth on IG for a hot minute now. A hot minute now. Man, we running out of time. Normally my intros are way bigger and longer. Pause. Alright. We'll go ahead and pause that because I know how the pause patrol be. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for my dog. Thank you.
Thank you guys, man. Thank you so much.
Hell yeah, man. Thanks for doing this.
Anytime.